Distinguished guests, respected professors and dear students, both on and off the dais, whose presence today adds immense warmth and meaning to this special occasion. I, Yash Chandan, along with my co-anchor Khushi Vashish, welcome you all to this valedictory ceremony of the Samvidhan Diwas conclave. The lamp of the wisdom always burns brighter when shared with others. With this thought, as we light the ceremonial lamp this morning, we ignite not only this hall, but also our minds and hearts with the radiance of wisdom, truth, and peace. Let this light be our guide on the journey ahead, inspiring excellence, innovation, and meaningful progress in all our endeavors. In this spirit, I now respectfully invite the esteemed dignitaries on and off the dais to proceed with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. Thank you, esteemed dignitaries. Please be seated. India's constitutional odyssey is not merely a chronicle of governance. It is a testament to a civilizational reawakening to the light of modern democracy. It is a journey that began with a promise to secure justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity for every citizen of this country. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a new era, reflecting on 75 years of India's constitutional journey, we do not just look back at the milestones of our legal history. We look forward with a renewed gaze towards the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047. The Constitution of India is not a static relic of the past. It is a living, breathing entity that evolves with the collective heartbeat of the nation. It is the compass that has guided us through the storms of partition, the challenges of integration, and the complexities of development. As we navigate the digital age, the changing dynamics of global geopolitics, and the aspirations of a youthful demography, the mandate of our Constitution becomes even more profound, transforming from a text of rights into a charter of duties and national resurgence. It is in this spirit of intellectual enquiry and national dedication that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Law University, Sonipat, has convened this fortnight-long Samvidhan Diwas conclave. Over the past 2 weeks, this campus has transformed into a crucible of thought where the transformative power of the law was interrogated, deliberated, and celebrated all together. As the architect of our constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar famously cautioned, however good a constitution may be, if those who are implementing it are not good, it will prove to be bad. However bad a constitution may be, if those implementing it are good, it will prove to be good. Guided by this timeless wisdom, we gather here today for the valedictory ceremony, not to mark an end, but to synthesize the wisdom harvested over these 14 days. We are here to reaffirm that the strength of our democracy lies in the relentless pursuit of constitutional morality, to enlighten and enrich us on this momentous occasion, which also marks the solemn Mahaparinirvan Diwas of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Dr. Ambedkar. This august gathering is distinguished by a gallery of legal luminaries, judicial stalwarts, and policy experts. We are immensely thankful and privileged to have the presence of our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Moudgil, Judge, Punjab and Haryana High Court, a distinguished jurist whose insights into the administration of justice inspires us all. Our keynote speaker, joining us virtually, Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Mehta, Judge, Delhi High Court, known for his profound understanding of constitutional interpretation. Our distinguished guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Manchanda, Judge, Punjab and Haryana High Court, a beacon of legal acumen and integrity. Our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Raj Nehru, OSD to the Honorable Chief Minister, Haryana, a visionary administrator bridging the gap between governance and education. Our special invitee, Dr. Pavan Duggal, Advocate Supreme Court of India and Chief Executive AI Law Hub, a pioneering global voice in cyber law and digital rights. And our special invitee, Mr. Jaspal Singh, retired IPS officer with a plethora of administrative experience. And presiding over this intellectual confluence, our patron-in-chief, Professor Dr. Devinder Singh, Honorable Vice-Chancellor of our institution, whose vision has made this conclave a reality. Let us commence this ceremony in the spirit of scholarship, reverence, and constitutional commitment. We shall begin with the felicitation of our esteemed dignitaries. I request Honorable Vice-Chancellor, sir, to kindly felicitate our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Moudgil, with a sapling and a memento as a token of appreciation. I request Honorable VC Sir to now kindly felicitate our distinguished guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Manchanda. Yes, sir. I request VP Sir to kindly felicitate our distinguished guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Manchanda. Thank you, sir. I now request Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to kindly felicitate our guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Professor Raj Nehru. I again request Honorable Vice-Chancellor Sir to kindly felicitate our special invitee, Mr. Jaspal Singh. And lastly, I request Honorable Vice-Chancellor Sir to kindly felicitate our special invitee, Dr. Pavan Duggal. Thank you, esteemed dignitaries. Thank you, sir. And now, it is my privilege to invite Honorable Registrar Sir, Professor Dr. Ashutosh Mishra, to kindly give an introductory address to our esteemed guests. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. सबसे पहले सभी को नमस्कार. First of all, I would like to say thanks to both the honorable judges, Honorable Justice Sandeep sir and Honorable Justice Deepak Manchanda sir. Today, Honorable CGI sir का एक already program आपके गुड़गांव में था, तो इस program के बावजूद भी सर लोग ने अपना precious time Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Law University को दिया. It is a great honor for all of us. Thank you, sir. And thank you to Dinesh Mehta, sir. He will just join, I think, at 11:30. His court is going on, but still he is assured that he will join at 11:30. Thank you, sir. Thank you to Honorable Professor Dr. Raj Nehru, sir. Sir is a basically inspiration for all academicians. Sir is founder, vice chancellor of Vishwakarma University, Palwal, and after then sir has joined as a OST to Honorable CM, sir. And जितने भी academicians हैं, इनके लिए एक सर का जो जीवन है वो हम सब के लिए एक बैक एंड लाइट के जैसे हैं. वी शुड इंस्पायर फ्रॉम हिम. सर, थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग योर प्रेशियस टाइम. सबसे पहले मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में अपने ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर सर ने एक दिन हम लोगों से डिस्कस किया कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि 26 नवंबर से लेकर के 6 दिसंबर तक हम लोग एक प्रोग्राम कराएं संविधान दिवस के सेलिब्रेशन में. तो सबसे पहले हम सबके दिमाग में ये बात आई कि इतना लंबा कैसे प्रोग्राम चलेगा, बहुत से कन्फ्यूजन्स आए. लेकिन सर का एक अपना विजनरी और जो उनका बेसिकली 100% जो उनका डिवोशन है यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए, एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू basically empower this university and for holistic and inclusive development of the student and for critical thinking, to inculcate critical thinking and to inculcate real world skills among the student. सर ने कहा कि हम इसमें कोलेबरेटिव एफर्ट से 22 नवंबर से इसको हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट all research centers have played a very proactive role in this particular programs in order to celebrate Samvidhan Diwas. I think I should first congratulate to Dr. Sanjay. He is the director of Center for Constitutional Law and Transformative Studies. On 22nd November, basically program was started due to his initiative, and Dr. Sanjay has played a very, he has organized very important programs, 3 to 4 programs. Then I would like to congratulate to Center for Labor Studies, Dr. Balwinder. She has organized with the collaboration of V.V. Giri and Gujarat National Law University and Mahatma Gandhi Labour Institute. And basically, I want to enlighten one thing, that Dr. Balwinder is able to invite academicians from all over the country, and I think her initiative should be appreciable. Then Dr. Madhukar, he is convener and director of research and publication committee. He has organized program Reverdict, and he has organized program on the criminal law also, and he has played a very instrumental role in these 2 programs. Then Dr. Pooja Jaiswal, she has organized the program under the Center for Gender Justice and Human Rights, and Dr. Renu Sharma, she has organized program under the Dakshata. Then we are organizing one program on IPR facilitation and research centers also. I would like to say thanks to Dr. Deep Shikha and all our young colleagues. I think when Hon'ble Vice-Chancellor sir has joined, first he has appointed 23 guest faculties. It is a great contribution for the National Law University सोनीपत. और ये जो 23 यंग फैकल्टीज़ हैं, इनमें इतनी ऊर्जा है, दिन रात ही इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, एंड आई शुड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट टू देम. Under the Center for Public Policy and Good Governance and the Center for Conflict Management and Dispute Resolution, they have organized 14 programs in collaboration with NIFTEM, National Institute of Food Technology and Management under the Ministry of Food Processing, Government of India, Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Then 2 programs in collaboration with Gujarat National Law University, 2 programs under the UN agencies, largely under the Water Foundation, and 2 programs with the Central University of Haryana and the BPRD, Bureau of Police Research and Development, and National Forensic Science University. And I think I would like to name Dr. Deep Shikha, Akash, Shobhit, and Akash, Shobhit, Parul, and all these guest faculties have played a very important role. Then today is a very important day for all of us. We are going to sign MOU with Cyber University and Pavan Duggal sir. We are going to launch diploma course, and today we are going to launch one essay writing, international essay writing competition in collaboration with GeoGeeta and Gujarat National Law University. And today we are going to launch our special law review on Indianization of the legal system. Basically, all this credit goes to Honorable Vice-Chancellor sir, and it is his vision, it is his perseverance effort. We are working basically he is working under his leadership, under his guidance. We all are working, and I think it is the vision of the government also that to keep NLU Sonipat under the top 5 amongst all the universities. I think we should go ahead with this program. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for beautifully summing up the Samvidhan Diwas conclave and your introductory words which have set the stage.
And I now invite our keynote speaker, Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Mehta, who will be joining us online. Justice Mehta built a broad civil law practice over nearly 24 years at the bar, specializing in areas including taxation, banking, corporate matters, arbitration, environment, and municipal laws. Prior to his elevation, he represented major corporations and public sector entities like Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Nuclear Power Corporation India Limited, Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, and the National Highways Authority of India. He was initially elevated as a judge of the Rajasthan High Court in 2016 before his transfer to the Delhi High Court. Sir, I request you to kindly address the gathering.
There are certain technical difficulties with sir joining us. I kindly request our Vice-Chancellor, sir, until then, for his welcome address. Over to VC, sir.
Honorable Justice, the Chief Guest, Sandeep Moudgil ji, Honorable Judge, Punjab and Haryana High Court, Honorable Justice, Mr. Deepak Manchanda ji, Honorable Judge, Punjab and Haryana High Court, Professor Nehru ji, former Vice-Chancellor of 2 universities, and now blessing for all the Vice-Chancellors of the universities in Haryana. He is the officer on special duty to the Honorable Chief Minister, and in addition to other duties, he is looking after the universities. So why I said this is a blessing for all the Vice-Chancellors, not only to me, it is personal blessings to me, but all the Vice-Chancellors, because we have a one-point solution for all the problems of the university. Sir understands the university because he has founded one university and headed another university. So university's problems are well known to sir, and for all the Vice-Chancellors, this is our common talking point for all of us, that this is good at least in the government office. We have one point, and before we start narrating our own problem, sir understands our problem. So thank you very much, sir, and I welcome you here. Pavan Duggal ji, he is with us, and he is with us on other earlier occasions as well. But today we have a special occasion, as the Registrar sir has just told, that we have a MOU, but today we are making this MOU a continuous process, translating this into a certificate course, and in future we'll see the larger course. Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Mehta ji, welcome on the online mode, and he would be addressing very soon. DGP Jaspal ji, my teachers, head of the department, deans, and as referred, the young faculty who motivates us as well. The Constitution Day this year was special because the 75 years of the Constitution was started. When we completed 74 years of the Constitution, entered the 75th year of the Constitution, it started. And when we completed 75 years, now this is 76th year, so all the celebrations has come to an end. So it started with a discussion. I thought that because I am a teacher of public law and constitution, so I thought that this year's Constitution Day has to be special because it is a culmination of all celebrations as marked by the Government of India. So we started, me and Registrar started talking about this, and Dr. Sanjay joined immediately because Sanjay is heading the Constitution Club in the university. So we started and planned the activities for 15 days. We took some time to understand to ourselves that how these activities will go for 15 days. But immediately the idea came that we have 11 centers. We have teachers, and teachers are heading as a director 11 centers. We immediately spread this word to 11 centers, the director of the center, and requested them that host an activity which combine your sub-center and subject to the Constitution. We know Constitution is the ground norm and all the subjects are related and coming to that only. So we are happy that all the centers has organized more than 2 activities. We organized around 30 activities in these 15 days. We collaborated with around 30 institutions, right from the schools to the institutions, not only with the national law universities, but with the central universities, private colleges. Because if we want social outreach, we can't live among the peers. We have gone beyond that as well. As far as students' participation is concerned, because we don't believe in counting, we don't believe in too much of head counting, that how many students participated. But as I am sitting at a place where I have to sign every day the certificates. So, to my understanding, I have signed more than 1,000 certificates in these 15 days. So, I have only 700 students. So, it means the other students across the institution, they have participated. So, what I want to say is the idea which was conceived by 3 teachers earlier, and subsequently it is being adopted by each one of you, the teachers, the volunteers, the students, and I hope within these 15 days, every student of National Law University must have a certificate which says that this is a conclave on the constitutional law. This success story is being born because we involved you all. We believe in inclusiveness. We are concluding the ceremonies on the ceremony of Constitution Day on a very auspicious occasion. Today is the Punya Tithi of the architect of the Constitution, Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar, on whose name this university is being named. I think this is a befitting tribute to Baba Sahab that we are concluding today on his Punya Tithi, that the huge celebration in which 1,000 students across the institutions had participated in this. All the students of this university are being guided by teachers and mentors and the professors here. So therefore, now this stage is being set for us. Next thing in the next semester, which is a big thing for us, that shall be the internship and placements. Because these are the activities which we are organizing. What purpose we are doing this? We are doing it for the purpose of our students. So they must have some internship, better internship than as compared to the other institution, and then finally the placement with the companies for which they have come here. As Registrar Sir told you that we have some momentous occasion today. We are entering in a MOU with Pavanji's society and company for this AI thing, which is being most talked about not only among the students but the governance, judiciary, everywhere. We are talking about AI. So we are starting with the 3 months course, and I hope that would be expanded after 3 months. We have a law review which was in process when I joined, and the process is now completed. The first edition of the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar National Law University, the journal has come. The credit goes to the teachers who has done this earlier. No doubt, in the last week only we got the necessary permission from the government in the form of ISSN number, which is essential condition before we circulate. So we are circulating it today. At the same time, because that is an annual feature. So we have to justify this, because we have another journal that is in the name of Indian Knowledge System. There was a conclave here, and all the papers were published, and they are also being launched here. So the institution is progressing for the purpose of student and by the students only. We are sitting at the offices only to guide the students, because they have lots of energy, and we understand that they come to this institution, they chosen this institution in the NCR region for more than one reason. So we do not fall as a administration, as a academician, we do not want to fall short of the things that we fall short for our students. We want to do many things to the students, so the ultimate goal of the students are being achieved. With these few words, I welcome honorable judges, OSD sir, and all the stakeholders, and congratulate my teachers and my students that we are working as a team, and in future we would be achieving more than what we are thinking today. Only then the institution would be larger than us, and we all will be known by the institution, that is National Law University Sonipat, and we are visible across 27 universities apart from others. This is our only goal. With these words, I wish the program very best, and I welcome everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your truly inspiring words. And I now invite our keynote speaker, Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Mehta, who will be delivering his address virtually. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, all. Sorry for not being able to join all of you personally. When Honorable Vice-Chancellor requested me to be here, I sent my consent. And unfortunately, because 25th was declared holiday, today it's a working day. And I have sought leave from the lawyers there that I have to rise for 15 minutes. I'm so sorry. Firstly, before I address, I'll just excuse each one of you, including Vice-Chancellor and Registrar and everybody, that I ought to have joined you personally and physically and should have seen the university. But I promise everyone that I'll come one day amongst you and meet all the students. Because I've heard a lot about this university, which is NCR region, and catering the needs of citizens of the country, throughout the country. I'm told the students from all over the country have joined, they are taking quality education in the field of law. Honorable Vice-Chancellor, other dignitaries of the dais, and members of the faculty, and dear students. Today is the Felicitation Day or Valedictory Day of a long celebration of Constitution Day, which commenced on 26th of November and ends today. I'm told, learned from the Registrar that there are so many activities. Numerous activities. I've seen people celebrating Constitution Day and organizing one seminar or one moot court or one competition. But when I look at the brochure, I'm so glad and so thankful to the teachers and faculties of the university who have hosted a wide range of intellectually engaging activities, including seminar on the mediation 2023 and 2023, national level debate and quiz competition, special school outreach, program aid at fostering and constitutional literacy amongst younger students. These events, organized in collaboration with leading national institutions and resource persons, I hope will collectively provide the students with insight into the constitutional governance, judicial evolution, alternate dispute resolution, public policy, and contemporary legal reforms. Instead of giving a long lecture on Constitution, which I would like to come physically and give, I would just say one thing, that celebrating Constitution Day, all those activities is different thing that enlightens you and all from various aspects of the Constitution. But as an institution, I would like all of you to take this pledge. We have to adhere to and stick to the directive principles which the framers of the Constitution have passed upon each of the citizens. Because Constitution's preamble says, we the people of India, 140 crore people of this country are owners of this Constitution. And the duty begins from each one of you, each one of us. So today, when we celebrate Constitution Day celebrations or when we function, we should take this vow, we should take this pledge that whatever framers of the Constitution have provided or encast a duty on us that will be guided by the directive principles given in Part 4 of the Constitution, that will be enough for the Constitution. Constitution governance cannot be complete. Each of the citizens is aware of duties or her duties and adhere to Constitution ethos. Often we talk of constitutional rights, of fundamental rights, and rights are the rights given under the Constitution. But we often forget that all rights first begin from the duties. So with this short note, I would request and beseech all of the students who are future of this Constitution. Some of you will become lawyers, some of you will become judges, some of you will become politicians, some of you will become great academicians, I'm sure. Because the quality education you have been imparted will take you to the pinnacle of your career wherever you want to go, wherever you go. But always keep this in mind that before our right starts, before our right begins, it is time for us to decide our duties. If you are going to an office, please make sure that you reach in the office right on the time. If you are in some public office, please ensure that when you sit in the office, when a visitor or when a person comes to see you, he should sit in the office right on the time. As the professors come right on the time and goes from the class exactly on completion of time, please make sure that if you are punctual, if you are ready and willing to decide our duties in the manner prescribed, that will be real celebration of the Constitution. Thank you very much. I'll continue someday, please.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful address. Your words have truly enriched today's session. Thank you so much, sir.
And now it is a pleasure to welcome you all to the signing of a memorandum of understanding between Cyber Law University and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Law University, Sunita. I invite Dr. Pavan, Duggal, the Honorable Chancellor. Yes. So please. So please. Okay, so thank you. I now invite Dr. Pavan Duggal, sir, the Honorable Chancellor of Cyber Law University and Honorable Registrar, sir, to kindly preside over this auspicious ceremony. We think on this ceremony, we do not just sign a document, we write the first chapter of a digital future where our students will lead the world in cyber law, AI governance, and legal technology. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I now request all our dignitaries to kindly rise up for the release of DBRANLU Law Review Journal, a special issue on Indianization of legal system. This special issue critically engages with the ongoing churn within the Indian legal system. The contributors, renowned professors, practitioners, research scholars, and our own students have explored multifarious themes. These are not merely academic curiosities, they are central to India's journey towards a legal order that is efficient, empathetic, and constitutionally faithful. I now call upon Ms. Kritika Joshi, Student Managing Editor, and the Student Editorial Board to present the journal to each of our esteemed guests for the unveiling of the journal. Thank you. Thank you, honorable dignitaries. And we now come to the next major academic announcement of the day. As part of the ongoing conclave, two national level initiatives were introduced. The first, on dispute resolution in India's mineral resource sector, was launched earlier under the Center for Conflict Management and Dispute Resolution. Today, it is our privilege to formally announce the International Essay Writing Competition organized by CCMDR at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Law University, Sonipat, in academic collaboration with Gita Inspiration and Enlightenment Organization and Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. The theme of the competition is the contemporary relevance of the Bhagavad Gita within the Indian legal system. The initiative invites students and scholars alike to critically examine Gita's insights and encourage deep scholarship and civilizational wisdom. The details of the competition will be shared shortly, and we encourage enthusiastic participation from across fields.
I now invite our special invitee, Dr. Pavan Duggal, to kindly make his address.
Wisdom. The details of the competition will be shared shortly, and we encourage enthusiastic participation from across fields.
I now invite our special invitee, Dr. Pavan Duggal, to kindly make his address. Dr. Duggal is a distinguished advocate at the Supreme Court of India and one of Asia's foremost authorities on cyber law, cyber security and emerging technology. A pioneer in the field, an alumnus of St. Stephen's College and the Faculty of Law, University of several landmark cases. He heads the specialized the country's first cybercrime conviction and the first case serves as the president of cybercrime beyond litigation and the first Dr. Duggal is a prolific author and a trusted advisor to the governmental bodies on e-governance and data security policy bodies on cementing his reputation as the leading voice in international cyber cementing his reputation as the leading voice in international and address the gathering. Sir, I request you to kindly come forward and address the gathering.